Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing the exercise 8.1, question number 3. So now let's start. Question number 3 states that if sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, then calculate cos A and tan A. Then draw a right triangle. First A, B, C is a right triangle. Sin A is given. We know that sine of an angle is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sine A is given according to this acute angle. A is given. That is sine A is this. Opposite side of this angle is BC. Therefore, BC is 3K. And hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is BC upon 4K. Why we are adding this K? Because sin A is a ratio. Therefore, you have to add a constant with this number. Therefore, we have to write the 3K as opposite side and hypotenuse as 4K. Next, we have to find out cos A and tan A. We know that cos A is side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. Side adjacent to angle A is not given. That is AB is not given. First we have to find out this side by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is 4K. Therefore, AC is 4K. 4K square is equal to AB is not given. That is AB itself. AB square plus BC is 3K. 3K square. 4K square is 16K square is equal to AB square plus 9K square. Therefore, AB square is equal to 16K square minus 9K square. That is equal to 7K square. 7K square. Therefore, AB is equal to root of 7K square. That is equal to root 7K. Because square root of 7 is root 7 itself. Then square root of K square is K. Therefore, AB is equal to root 7K. Next, AB is root 7K. Okay. Now AB is equal to root 7K. Okay. Next, we have to find out cos A and tan A. Cos A and tan A. We know that cos of an angle is side adjacent to that angle upon hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, here cos A according to which angle? This acute angle. Cos A is side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. That is AB upon AC is equal to AB is root 7K upon AC is 4K. K and K get cancelled. Then we get cos A is equal to root 7 upon 4. Cos A is over. Next we have to find out tan A. We know that tan of an angle A is for finding tan A we have two formulas. First is opposite side upon adjacent side, and next formula is using tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A is also a formula. Therefore, using that formula also we have to find out tan A. Here we are using that formula. We know that tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Because we know the value of sin A is given, cos A is root 7 by 4. Therefore, using these two, this formula, we have to find the value of tan A. Okay. Now, sin A is 3 upon 4 whole divided by cos A is root 7 by 4. Root 7 upon 4. This is equal to 3 upon 4 into 4 upon root 7. Because we know that by dividing two fractions, what we have to do? First, if here the first fraction is 3 by 4, then multiply this fraction by its reciprocal. Then you get the answer. That means here 3 by 4 into its reciprocal is 4 by root 7. Okay. This is equal to 4 and 4 get cancelled. Then the value of tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. Now first question is over. Now move on to the next question, that is question number 4. Given that 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and ck. That is 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore, cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. 8 upon 15. Now draw a right triangle ABC. According to this angle, cot A, cot of an angle A is side adjacent to that angle upon opposite side. That is here side adjacent to angle A is AB and opposite side of angle A is BC. Therefore, 8 upon 15. AB is equal to 8K and BC is equal to 15K. Why we are adding this K? Because cot A is a ratio. That's why we are adding this K with these numbers. Therefore, cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. Next, we have to find out sin A. For that, we have to find out the hypotenuse first, because we know that opposite side of angle A upon hypotenuse is sin A. By using Pythagoras theorem, first find out AC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AB is 8K the whole square plus BC is 15K the whole square. 8K is 64K square plus, and 15 square is 225K square. Adding these two first, that is 225 plus 64 is equal to 289. Therefore, we get 64K square plus 225K square is equal to 289K square. Therefore, AC square is 289K square. Therefore, AC is square root of 289K square. That's square root of 289 is 17. And square root of K square is K itself. That is AC we get 17K. Next, we have to find out sin A. Next, we have to find out sin A. Sin A is equal to, we know that sine of an angle A is equal to side opposite to that angle upon hypotenuse. That is, here it is BC upon AC. That is equal to 15K upon 17K. K and K get cancelled. Therefore, sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. Sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. Next, we have to find out sec A. Sec of an angle A is, we know that sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Therefore, its reciprocal means hypotenuse upon adjacent side. That is, sec of an angle is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse, here hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB. AC is 17K upon AB is 8K. K and K get cancelled. Therefore, we get CK is equal to 17 upon 8. Now, second question is over. Thank you for watching.